How to get the prime factors of a given number using continuous division. So there are some steps to be followed in getting the prime factors of a given number using continuous division. So let's have an example. 28. Okay. 28. So let's put a box like division. First, we divide 28 by the smallest prime number, which divides the number exactly. So 28 is divisible by 2. So let's divide by 2. So 28 divided by 2, we have 14. Next, we divide the quotient, which is 14, again by the smallest or the next smallest prime number. Okay, so we have 14 is still divisible by the smallest prime number, which is 2. So 14 divided by 2 is 7. And of course, 7 is still the prime number. So 7 divided by 7 is equal to 1. Sometimes no need to divide 7, just multiply the number outside. But let's do this way so that it is more clear to you. Okay, next, we are going to write all those prime numbers, the numbers outside, and those are our prime numbers. So 2 by 2 by 7, which is equal to 28. Next example, we have 40. Okay, so 40 is divisible, of course, the smallest prime number, which is 2. 40 divided by 2 is 20. Next, 20 is still divisible by the smallest prime number, which is 2. So 20 divided by 2 is 10. Next, divide the quotient with another prime number. Still, it is divisible by the smallest prime number, which is 2. 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. And of course, 5 is divisible by 5. 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. Therefore, our prime numbers are 2 by 2 by 2 by 5, which is equal to 40. Next example, we have 16. Okay, let's start 16. Of course, first we're going to divide with the smallest prime numbers. So 16 divided by 2 is 8. So let's divide the quotient with another smallest prime number, which is 2. So 8 is divisible by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Again, our quotient is 4. We're going to divide again with our prime number. So 4 is divisible by the smallest prime number, 2. So 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. And 2 is divisible by 2, which is 2 divided by 2, 1. So our prime numbers are 2 by 2 by 2 by 2, which is 16. Okay, another example. We have 108. Okay, so let's try 108. So 108 ends with an even number, so it is divisible by the smallest prime number 2. So 108 divided by 2 is equal to 54. So our quotient is 54 divided by, okay, and with an even number 4, so it is divisible by 2. So 54 divided by 2 is equal to 27. And of course, our quotient 27 is divisible by, so 7 plus 2 is 9. So it is divisible by 3. The next prime numbers after 2. So 27 divided by 3 is equal to 9. And 9 is divisible by 3. So 9 divided by 3 is 3. And 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. Therefore, our prime numbers are 2 by 2 by 3 by 3 by 3, which is equal to 108. Okay, so that's how we're going to get the prime factors of a given number using continuous division.